Friends, today I will tell you how to represent square root of 9.3 on the number line. So, shall we start now? Draw a line, take AB is equal to 9.3 centimeter. Okay, 9.3 unit. You can take 9.3 centimeter. Then BC is equal to 1 centimeter or BC 1 unit. Okay. Now add AD is equal to 9.3 centimeter or BC is equal to 1 unit. Right. So AC is equal to 9.3 plus 1 is equal to 10.3 unit or centimeter. Okay. Now draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. You know how to draw the perpendicular bisector. Open the compass more than half of AC and draw the arc like this with the help of compass. Put the compass at A and at C and draw the arc like this and this. All of you know how to draw the perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Okay, let O be the midpoint of AC. Right. Now, keeping the center O and radius OA, draw a semicircle like this. Center O and radius is equal to OA, draw the semicircle. Right. Now, at point B, draw the perpendicular line. You can do with the help of compass or with the help of protractor. Like this, you can draw. The perpendicular line intersect the semicircle at point D. Now, this BD is equal to 9.3 square root. Now, how do we come to know that this BD is equal to 9.3 square root? Now, join justification, join OD in right angled triangle OBD. Now, OD is equal to, first of all, OD is equal to OA is equal to half of AC. Okay, that is OD is equal to AC is 10.3. 10.3 upon 2, that is equal to 5.15. OC is equal to 5.15, that is equal to OD. Right. Now OB is equal to OC minus BC. Now OC is equal to OD, that is equal to 5.15 minus BC is equal to 1. Therefore OB is equal to 4.15. Got it? OB is equal to 4. Now in right angle triangle, by using the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square, that is OD square is equal to OB square plus BD square. Now OD, as you know, OD is equal to 5.15 square is equal to OB, that is 4.15 square plus BD square. Now calculating, we have 5.15 square minus 4.15 square is equal to BD square. Now using the formula A square minus B square, that is A plus B into A minus B, that is equal to 5.15 plus 4.15 into 5.15 minus 4.15 is equal to BD square. Got it? Now 9.30 into 1 is equal to BD square. Now BD is equal to 9.30 or 9.3 square root. Now it is not on the number line. Open the compass equal to BD and draw the arc like this. Mark this point is E. So BE is equal to 9.3 square root. That is the proof of this. Okay.